In today's video, we're going to empty out the mini and assess the full extent of the rust that's on it.
See what fills for.
Yeah. We're joined today by our cameraman Matt.
Hello. Even we haven't had a proper look in this car yet. It was full of junk when we bought it. When we went to it, was already on the truck and it was still full of junk. So we don't know what it's like inside.
People might say it'd be cheaper to buy a body show, including Matt. But,
And me.
Yeah, and Gaz, but I'm not paying £8 for a body show. I'd rather do it a little bit of time, overtime, like I say I will.
Just start unloading it.
Yeah. Matt.
Oh.
Yeah. A bag of body filler, I do.
Oh.
It's just all off of the body filler.
Just a bag of wall art. Oh.
I think these are pretty cool to be fair. Little moon discs.
Does it come with free rest? Does that car cover come with some free rest for my...
How much free rest as you want?
Oh, look at that interior.
There's a box out there, Phil. I think there's been animals living in it. Some more newish, yeah, some new seals.
There's one there, so we should be on that side of one there. Yeah, it's hard. There you go. Should be about the same place as that one there. I know that's fine. Oh, because the driver's foot is different. If we lift the side up and drain it into that side, we'll find it out.
Yeah, should we tip it?
No.
I feel like this is where I'm enjoying being the cameraman and videoing the water going over rather than lifting the rusty car up.
So I'm actually quite, just after this out,
Yeah.
I'm quite glad there's not a lot of stuff with it, because I want to make a lot of stuff with Joe, get custom stuff done for it.
Yeah.
The back end's too light.
Yeah.
Right,
You got to squat it.
ready to go?
I'll put my foot on the tyre.
That's draining more water from the classic mini.
No, how not to.
There's a thread something. The floor pads actually look pretty decent.
The back half of them look really good. It's the front where they usually go. It's a shame he didn't put a hole in it or something before, and it would have saved it a bit more. I only took one out, so that must have been there the whole time, he was blocked off.
There's got to be oil in the front somewhere.
There's definitely one in the front, unless it's been welded up. Yeah, I get a drill. So you probably have to cut the floor pan out anyway.
Yeah. No respect for the Scirocco now, he sold it to me.
I feel like I should be helping.
I was just looking for the holes. buggy ideal for a wet cargo.
I think it's take us 6 further.
It's a mini.
If you want to fit doors to your own mini at home, this is how you do it. First you get out your angle grinder.
As long as you can cut a hole big enough for your hand, you're alright.
I've got one. Lift the door up a bit.
Fits like a glove.